In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Waze app for police. So like on Google Maps, you can use this to show police on the actual map as you're driving and alert you also. So what we can do is go to our Waze app, wherever it may be on your phone. And what you want to do is go to the three lines at the top left-hand corner, and you want to go to settings. And then you want to go down to where it says map display, should be close to the top there. And from here, you want to go down to where it says map information and overlays and go ahead and hit reports. So from here, as you see, you have a lot of different options here, but you want to go to where it says police, and we want to toggle these both on. So the first one, it will show up on the map as you're driving on your route if someone reports it, and then it will also alert while driving. So that's it. It's super simple and super easy for Waze app to alert you and show you where police are on your actual